tire foam at Walmart. They're pretty cheap. It's Armor All Tire Foam. You'll see what this does. It just cleans everything with foam. Once you shake it up real good, I do the outside first. And then I carefully do the middle side. Once you polish the rims, get pretty good at doing the inside like this. And then go ahead and do the middle. Once you have 10 tires you gotta dress, you look at all the rubber here, it's much different. So when you are doing this for a while, you realize there's other ways and easier ways to do this. This here is all about cleaning it. The foam does that, and then it dresses it. It's not really extreme shine. I'll show you how to do that too. Once you wash anything, even if you don't polish your rims, it always looks nice when you dress everything. Any kind of rubber, you'll find even your mud flaps when you go ahead and just go ahead and streak it down, just like painting. I leave it on so it doesn't really bunch up. Painting my chains here, and you'll see the touch of class when you do just a little stuff. Once you see what I do in the winter time, it's ridiculous when you have to do this the hard way by polishing at your mirrors, because you're not living in California, you're going to Wyoming and all these areas where it just deteriorates all this metal. But the inside is very important to do, and the outside, and then you just do the middle. That's the right way to go, so you don't have any waste. In these cans here, you should go about it's about 20 tires, you figure. 2 times get you all around, and that's a couple dollars. It used to be $1.99. The paint's just $1 for gloss black, and you start touching everything up. And you really have to concentrate on the middle part. You really mess up the first couple of years when you get sloppy, the wind's blowing. It's a good time to share this with you. But just showing you on any kind of rubber, you really want to clean it off. At the end, you'll see the trick of how it really looks. Once you miss one, it looks pretty silly. Once you go down the road, you'll see a lot of this stuff is not ready for the truck shows, but it's ready to be on the road, going down the road, and that's pretty well the work show trucks. Get your stainless, get everything set. Once you stop, all of a sudden they see a stainless with the chrome and all that, and you realize you can stay really looking clean. And once you wash it, you just do this attention to detail. The sun's shining on here, so it dries up more. But this foam really cleans and lifts up all the dirt and dresses at the same time. The guy's probably a millionaire that invented this versus dressing it the old way. Especially with all this rubber you gotta dress. It's better just to buy these foam cans here. Cars are easier once you do this for a while. And once you polish it, you take a rag and just wipe the lip of the rim, and that way, that's the first action to start getting oxidized. That's how simple that is. Even this you'll see when you stand back and look at the whole truck when it's dressed. It really looks nice. takes all the dirt off the tires. Once you're done with that, you'll see the tires shine. That's the foam. They do have Extreme. I still do a two-step where they actually buy them in bulk. But once it lifts up and dries up, I go ahead and I use the tire shine. It's really nice to use. Once this dries up a little bit, you'll see what it does to the rubber itself. You just don't touch it. Once it's sprayed on, you just let it do its work. And you'll see how it pulls the dirt up, separates everything. There'll be a straight, flat black. That's how that works. I'll go around and show you the other ones while they're curing. Let's see how that works. These are drying up pretty good. All winter, it's nice to have dressed tires again. You can see how the mud flaps are showing. See how dark that looks. Starts showing up. Once it dries up, you'll see it'll stop dripping like that. Same thing there. Everything's looking good. See how nice and black that looks. Spare tire looks good. Once I paint the spare tire rack and the landing gear, you see how I put the caps on. Once you paint that, you see dressing the tires really help. Once it starts drying up, you'll see this kind of look. And I'll go around and I'll touch all that up. Even the mud flaps here, how nice it looks. Main thing is waiting for this to dry a little bit. You see how it cleans up really good. Once you do that, you got some that are not soaking in because it's already good rubber and it's not dried up. This here is actually an Extreme tire shine. This is actually a dressing. You can see the foam, it cleans it out. Got a little bit of this. This is just actually a tire dressing in a can. And when you do it, you want to really do a sweep because it goes on pretty heavy. And you can see how you just sweep right around. I try to do two where I get the edge of the inside, and that's it. Any more, it'll really drip around. I like doing the outside first, and that way you can overdo it and let it kick on the outside. But when you get into the inside, you can see where you polish your rims, you want to be really good with it. When you're done, you have to get a rag and wipe the inside of your rim, make sure that's all off. And that's it for that. That's the Extreme, and you can really go ahead and, especially for your spring, you don't do this all summer because it costs you money if you don't like that kind of show. But when you go ahead and do your winter right to the spring, you really want to get this rubber back to what it used to look like because it really dried up. Nice little row. You don't want to stop. You want to keep the trigger right on. And I walk that edge right on the rim there. And you watch every flow. If not, you can see you'll have a problem. And you do it for a while, you really go faster. The other side's on the sun, so that'll be dried up. You'll see how this really works. And that way it looks wet. If you like to dry, just use the foam. And it used to be $2.99. I think they've gone up to $3.99 now. But you can see how really nice it looks. And if you're in dusty areas like but you can see I really want to get this done in the spring to get these mud flaps back to new. So much salt and all that snow. You got to catch up to guys that didn't run the mountain man kind of trucking route that we have. You can see anything going up to Montana, Dakotas, Wyoming, and all that. And that's in the winter, not in the summer. So you can see my videos where I go, and everything goes with me here. Alright. You can see how it's drying up a little bit. These tires are pretty good. I like doing that outside, inside, and then you don't have to guess where the middle is because the rubber's so big. So this here has a nice array. It depends how close you want to be. It's how much you apply and how the speed you're going around. But if you can get that aim and just concentrate, don't think of anything else but this art, your mind's into it, you'll have the right aim. this is what I do. But I paint this bracket here black real good. And you can see just a little bit you do. And everybody asks, what's your trick? Yes, I'm filming it for you. What the things you do. Especially when they wash your truck and they miss one of your mud flaps. That's what they did on the trailer and the tractor. They missed this too. But, you know, everybody has the good days and bad days for a wash. Really get it oiled up. That way it looks like it never went to the Rocky Mountains in February. It never went anywhere, just here, out of the barn, back in the barn. But really, this truck goes many miles a week. Try to average about 36 to 4,000 every week. That's about it that you get here legally. They used to go to California and back every week, and then the laws changed on the hours. And then I went to Boise and back. I could do that a little bit. But mainly Salt Lake City and back. It's pretty well legal. You never run out of hours. Alright, last rubber here. Touched all the rubber in the truck. Do a good walk around and how nice the rims start looking. But once this dries up, the drips actually go away. That's why I say the guy who really is a wealthy man that actually invented this can with the foam, and then the other idea, and years later they put the tire shine in there. Now I noticed this year it has a brown cap, and that's the foam and this extreme tire shine in one. And of course more. But I'd rather get the cheapest, and that's why it's $3.99, $2.99, especially for semi-tires. You'd want to make sure it looks really good. See, when it dries up a little bit, you can see how you touch it. But that looks pretty good. See how it soaks right in there.